Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some important news to share with you. Remember when we were dealing with COVID-19? It was a challenging time for all of us, with lockdowns, social distancing, and the constant worry about our health. Well, there's a new virus we need to talk about, Human Metapneumovirus or HMPV. This virus has been making headlines recently, and it's important to stay informed. Don't freak out just yet though. While it's natural to feel concerned, we have a lot more knowledge and resources at our disposal now. Let's learn about this virus and what it means for us. Understanding HMPV can help us take the right precautions and stay safe. HMPV is causing a stir, especially in China, where lots of people are getting sick. The virus spreads through respiratory droplets, much like the flu or common cold. It might sound scary, but we're in a much better place to handle this than we were a few years ago. Our healthcare systems are more prepared and we have better protocols in place. We learned a lot from COVID-19, and that's helping us now. The experience has taught us the importance of quick response and global cooperation. The good news is that HMPV isn't a brand new virus. It's been around for a while and scientists have been studying it for years. It's been around, and we know how it works. This prior knowledge gives us a significant advantage in managing and controlling its spread. This gives us a head start on stopping it from spreading too much and figuring out how to treat it. Researchers are already working on vaccines and treatments. So let's learn more about HMPV and get the facts straight. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, staying informed is the first step to staying safe. So what exactly is HMPV? It's a virus that infects your lungs, just like a cold or the flu. Scientists discovered it in 2001, and it's been making people sick, especially kids, ever since. HMPV usually causes mild symptoms like a cold, coughing, sneezing, runny nose, sore throat, you know the drill. Sometimes it can cause worse symptoms like fever, wheezing, and trouble breathing. Most people get better from HMPV without any problems, but it can be more serious for some people. We'll talk more about that later. HMPV is sneaky, just like other viruses that affect your lungs. It spreads through tiny droplets in the air. Imagine someone with the virus coughs or sneezes. Those droplets fly into the air. If you breathe them in, you can get infected. But it's not just the air we need to worry about. HMPV can also live on surfaces. Think about touching a doorknob or phone that someone with the virus touched. You could pick up the virus that way too. And of course, being close to someone with HMPV is risky. Sharing things, kissing, or even just being near them increases your chances of getting sick. Anyone can get HMPV, but some people are more likely to get really sick from it. Little kids, especially those under 5 years old, are at the highest risk. Their bodies are still learning how to fight off infections. Older people, especially those with other health problems, are also at risk. As we get older, our bodies have a harder time fighting off infections. And we can't forget about people with weak immune systems like those going through chemo, people who have had organ transplants, or those with HIV/AIDS. Their bodies have a really hard time fighting off infections like HMPV. Ground Zero. What's happening in China? Let's talk about China, where lots of people are getting HMPV. Hospitals are packed with sick people, and there are stories online about emergency rooms being full and not having enough medical supplies. It's definitely worrying, but remember that China has a huge population. Even if a small percentage of people get sick, it's still a lot of people. The Chinese government knows about the outbreak and is trying to stop it. They're doing more testing, making sure people are being extra clean and telling everyone to be careful. Echoes of the past, HMPV versus COVID-19. It's normal to think about COVID-19 when we hear about HMPV. They both affect the lungs and spread in similar ways, but there are some big differences. First, we know a lot more about HMPV than we did about COVID-19 when it first started. We know how it spreads, what it looks like, and how bad it can get. Second, we don't have special medicines or vaccines for HMPV like we do for COVID-19. That means we have to focus on preventing it and treating the symptoms. Holding the line: treatment and prevention. So how do we fight HMPV? This virus, like many others, requires a multifaceted approach to manage and prevent its spread effectively. Since there's no specific treatment, we focus on feeling better and supporting our bodies. This means taking steps to alleviate symptoms and boost our immune system. Rest, drinking plenty of fluids, and taking medicine from the store for fever and pain usually help with mild cases. Over-the-counter medications can be very effective in managing symptoms like headaches, muscle aches, and fever. But if you get really sick, you might need to go to the hospital for oxygen, help with breathing, or other treatments. Severe cases can lead to complications that require professional medical intervention. When it comes to prevention, the same rules apply as always. Good hygiene practices are crucial in stopping the spread of HMPV. Wash your hands a lot, especially after being in public places or touching surfaces that might be contaminated. Use soap and water and scrub for at least 20 seconds. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze, using a tissue or the inside of your elbow. This helps to prevent respiratory droplets from spreading to others. Avoid close contact with sick people, as the virus can easily spread through direct contact or through the air. Maintaining a safe distance can significantly reduce the risk of transmission. And stay home if you're not feeling well. Isolating yourself when you're sick helps protect others and prevents the virus from spreading further. These simple things can really help stop HMPV from spreading. By following these guidelines, we can all contribute to a healthier community and reduce the impact of this virus. Staying ahead of the curve, monitoring research and public awareness. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of health threats is more important than ever. This section will delve into the critical roles of monitoring, research, and public awareness in combating health issues like HMPV. It's important to stay informed and get your information from trustworthy sources. With the internet flooded with information, it can be challenging to discern what's accurate. Always cross-check facts with reliable health organizations and experts. The World Health Organization, WHO, plays a pivotal role in global health. They not only monitor outbreaks but also provide guidelines and support to countries in managing health crises. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, is another cornerstone in the fight against diseases. Their research and data collection help shape policies and preventive measures. And other reliable health organizations are keeping a close eye on things and will let us know what's happening. These organizations work tirelessly behind the scenes, analyzing data and predicting trends to keep us safe. Meanwhile, scientists are working hard to find treatments and vaccines for HMPV. Their dedication and expertise are our best hope in overcoming this virus. There's no guarantee, but they're making progress in understanding the virus and finding ways to stop it. Every day, new discoveries bring us closer to effective treatments and preventive measures. And finally, we all need to be aware. Public awareness campaigns play a crucial role in educating people about health threats and how to protect themselves. The more people know about HMPV, its symptoms, and how to stay safe, the better we can stop it from spreading. Simple actions like washing hands frequently and avoiding close contact with sick individuals can make a significant difference. So, let's all do our part by staying informed, being extra clean, and encouraging others to do the same. Sharing accurate information with friends and family can help create a well-informed community. Remember, knowledge is power, and it's our best weapon against health threats. The more we know, the better equipped we are to handle any health crisis that comes our way. Stay curious, stay alert, and stay healthy. By taking proactive steps and staying informed, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones from health threats like HMPV. Thank you for watching our video on HMPV. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on important health topics. Your support helps us create more valuable content, and we'd love to hear from you. Please leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. Your feedback is crucial in helping us improve and bring you the content you care about the most. Stay informed, stay healthy, and stay connected with us.